Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys you are all doing good. I just want to share a good news as we are ending this year 2023. And I really thank God for working with you guys. And we also thank God for doing our best to make sure we make things simple, and also we upgrade and make our system profitable. In this video, I just want to share with you about this system MT4 Nairobi, MT5. Sorry, this is not MT4. It is a TFX MT5 manual system that is upgraded. And if you have been struggling to trade SMC or ICT, my friend, this is the system that you really need. And I told you guys, I will be coaching you or mentoring you on our VP to make sure you understand how to trade using this system in a very simplest way, instead of doing 100 of or tens of analysis here and there, trying to catch up with CMC or ICT trading styles or strategies. This system, I will just want to every SMC trader or ICT trader to watch this video closely, because I will prove to you why this system will save your time, why this system is beyond advanced SMC or ICT, and I will try my best to make it simple, go into details step by step, how you can do the scalping, how you're doing blah, blah, blah. We'll be sharing on our VIP. But in this video, because of our YouTubers, and I will request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that you can get all videos, and also follow us on our Telegram to see the result from our system each and every day, so that it can build your confidence. And before we proceed, I will also want to give a good news to all traders, because I would like all manual traders to have this system for MT4 or MT5. If you have been struggling to SMC or trading ICT, maybe you haven't catch up, you don't know which SMC that works, you don't know which ICT works, maybe you have been struggling with any of the trading, this is the system that you want. And this is why I want you to follow this video closely, so that it can help you a lot to understand more and see and prove for yourself, or judge for yourself, if I'm lying, if I know nothing about the SMC or ICT. Let me tell you, there is no way you can code the systems or the software without understanding or without trading. And we will be sharing the result on our Telegram about the system, and also for MT4. Last time we shared for MT4, not in details, but later we'll share even the result and details information. So the second thing I want the good news is that we are giving offers so that everyone can afford to get our system. This is the Christmas offer, so that for those people who celebrate the Christmas, for those people who celebrate the Eid Fitri, something like that, for Hindus, they have, even Muslims, we have in this December, in every December, we have celebration. So it's not just a Christmas because of Christian, because I'm a non-religion. This is Christmas offer, meaning every occasion that's happened in December, this time around, whether you are Muslim, Hindus, or Christian, or whoever, or non-religions like my friend, get this offer, so that you can bank money, or you can milk money, so that you can celebrate good with your family in a simplest way. My friend, the offer is 50%. Get any of our EA. The normal price is $600. You know that, and that's how we sell our system. But in this year, we are giving with 50%. So get any of our EA, MT4 or MT5 with just 350. Guys, get the system as soon as possible, so that you can earn money to celebrate and with your family. Then you'll be back again, continue banking money. Don't blow your accounts. Don't blow your accounts. The EAs, the TFX EA will help you a lot. We have been sharing the result on our Telegram, Pips Hunter, blah, 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 Gold Hunter, whether you're MT4 or in MT5 platform, this is your chance. Just with $350, you get any of our EA and you'll join the VIP. And also it is a lifetime license with free updates. Again, the manual that we are talking about here that are beyond SMC or ICT, advanced or whatever, if you have been struggling to trade manually and you want to bank real money with the low risk, my friend, because our manual will help you to understand where to set the TP and where to set the stop loss. Now, any of our manual, the normal price, we always give it $449. This time around in this month Christmas offer, you just take it with 270 and start banking from there. Never say I never told you. Follow our video and see if it is exact what you have been looking for. Not only that, if you have been struggling trading and maybe you don't have that time, get our EA. If you want to be a full-time trader, get our manual. It's very simple and we'll be guiding you step by step on our VIP. So 270 instead of 449, you get the system. The other thing, it is 2 license or 2 EAs. What is the meaning of 2 license or 2 EAs? Remember, 2 EAs, it is $1,200 normal price, because 1 EA, it is just $600. But now you will get 2 license. 2 license means you can have a friend. You can have a friend, or maybe you want 2 accounts. You can get 2 license or 2 EA from different names. Let's say, for instance, you want to purchase the Pips Hunter. The Pips Hunter can come with 2 different accounts or 2 different names. All right, guys, I do believe you are getting what I'm saying. And in other words, let me make it clear. You can also pay $500 and get 1 EA for MT4 and another one for MT5. That is the meaning of 2 licenses. It can be from the 2 different platform, MT4 and MT5, or you can have MT4. Let's say, for instance, you want the Pips Hunter and Alpha Gold. All right, you can get them at only $500. 2 EAs at $500. And remember, 1 EA, the normal price is $600, but now you can get 2 EAs with just $500. One, it can be Pips Hunter and Alpha Gold, or for MT4 and MT5, that is your choice, because some are using 2 platforms. So you can get 1 EA for MT4 and the other EA for MT5. Or if it is for MT5, you can get for 2 license, and this means it can be also with different names. So one, it can be with your name, and the other one for your friend or for your wife or whoever. So get that in mind. That is how the offer will be. Now, the other thing, you can get the NEA for MT4 or MT5 and get manual system of your choice. Let's say, for instance, you can get the MT4 EA and get the MT5 manual, or you can get the MT5 manual and get the MT4 EA or manual, whatever. So all you need here, you can get 1 EA. Let me make this clear. And or the NEA for MT4 or MT5, and get any manual system of your choice. This means you can get the EA for MT5 and the manual for MT4, or EA for MT4 or and the manual for MT5, or you can get both EA for MT4 and the manual of your MT4. So this one will be your choice. And remember, the manual system normal price is $449. And you can imagine $449 from with the 1 EA for $600, it should be $1,000 plus to get our manual and our EA. But for this festive season, you will get it with only $420. You get the EA and the manual. And I do believe that is clear. For more details, you can follow us on our Telegram. We'll be sharing and reminding you about this festive offers. I think it should be the festive offers, not just the Christmas, because some people, oh, this is only for Christian. This is no. It's a festive season offer. So don't worry about the Christmas, not for Christian, but for traders. This is a trader's opportunity. So jump in and get your system as soon as possible so that you can bank and start banking. We have released it earlier because we want people to make good money for celebrating in their festive season. Thank you so much, guys. So let's proceed with our system here and see what this DFXS is saying about the system is beyond SMC or ICT strategy, and it makes things easier for all traders for SMC and ICT. This is beyond that. This is beyond that. And the good news, we have the TFX here trading line that is what we call unrepainted. No EA here, not any indicator here that will repaint. It will give you an accurate signal. And this is why we have a step index at this point. You can see we have, let me zoom in here so that you can see we have our channel here. We have our dotted here, which indicate resistance. This is why we have a selling here. Let me analyze here a simple, in a very simplest way, because maybe in details I will be sharing for strategy after the strategy. But because of the SMC traders there and ICT traders, and because I'm saying this system is beyond those stuffs, and it will make things easier for you, let me show you how to trade it professionally. Now, see this. I don't know if you know how to trade the SMC or ICT. I don't know. But professional, if you want to make money in Forex market, those are the two trading styles that I know you can make it in Forex market. Let me show you as a good example here. As SMC traders, we know the traps that the banks or the market makers does when it comes to supply or demand zone or order blocks. And as you can see here, there was a change of character. There was a BOS here, break of a structure. There was a BOS here, and some knew that there will be a sale at this point because this is the one that caused this BOS. Some will say it is this one. Let me zoom so that you can get it correctly, my friend. This is just to demonstrate, to show we know what we are doing. All right, guys. So there is a BOS here, or break of structure here, and people were waiting for the market to reach at this point. All right, because here we have an order block at this point. We have another, this is what we call for SMC traps, where the market maker traps people at this point. You know what I'm saying here, because there is an order block here, and we have another order block here. But you can see the market came and deceived people like it will be a sell here, because if you can see this kind of formation here, you can people thought that there will be a sell at this point because the market closed here with the doji, and you can see the market closed below this candle. Then there was a sell here, but unfortunately the market swept their stop loss and went into this area. Let me show something here. We have another order block at this point. Again, we have another order block at this point. Then the market, the same thing, but sweep their entry, deceive like it wanted to drop, but it went all the way to our extreme, which is in this point. Then there was a small sell here, then boom, the market went up. What are you seeing here? According to our system, our system was telling you this is an up trade. It is not a down trade. This is an up trade. Then when the market reversed and touched our trend line here, and this is why I'm saying this is unrepaintable. It's non-repaint channel trading line. Sorry, as you can see, it is a buy because we are coming from this golden line here, and all our indicators were saying this is a buy. It is not a sell, but a buy. But for the traps of SMC or ICT, you can see there is another block here. There was a sweep of liquidity here. Again, they sweep their stop loss and went to this way. Then the market dropped and to this way. Then boom, it went up. Sorry for that. What is the meaning of this? We now overcome this trap because trading manually without any indicator, the only good sell was at this point. Yes, it's a 50-50 place, but to our extreme here, there is a good entry, but you can see it never went long, the market boom. But if you are following this system, then there was a good buy at this point. Again, the market reversed and respected our trade line, then boom, there was a good buy. Why are we selling this market at this point? Let me show you why our system is telling us there is a sell here. For those people who understand about the trading strategies of SMC and ICT, you can see it has given us the first signal at engineer liquidity. This is our engineer liquidity. You can see this area correctly, guys. This is our engineer liquidity. Where is our extreme? This is our extreme area. So even if they can hit our stop loss here, we are guaranteed that in our extreme area or extreme zone here, we can hit our sell. And if this market can drop, or it will drop all the way, it must come from, let me show something here. It will come to this point here. I'm just going to share these details correctly so that you can understand what I'm saying, guys. Let me set this one into yellow so that you can get it correctly. If this market will respect our signal here, it must come to this area. Why am I saying it must come to this area? Because as you can see, there was a BOS at this area. And remember, this is an up trade. Okay, this is an up trade. There was, let me delete this one. First of all, there was a BOS at this area. All right, guys. So having a BOS, what caused this BOS? You can see we are coming from this area or from this extreme. So this is why I'm very confident. I'm very confident with this market that it can come. It can come to this area, because it must come to test this area or this point, then it will continue going up professionally. And when will we enter this market? When will we know that now the market has come to test this area because of this break of structure? This is the cause of the break of structure. What will make us know that we can continue buying? Because our trade line or any of our system will give us a signal whereby, again, we can take buy. So the reason why we can trade in 4 hours, we can sell and we can buy at the same time. This is why I'm telling you, there's no need to jump from this time frame to another one, 1,000 of analysis. Our system has analyzed that and it gives you the signal where the market must reverse. For instance, let me show something here. For instance, there was a BOS at this area and the market dropped to this point. Market never touched our extreme, but touched this area and then dropped. Then our signal, also our system give us this buy and also another buy from our channel here. Then boom, the market went up. The same thing happened here. The market break the structure at this point, again reverse to this area and touch this our area, and as you can see, market came to our 50-50 areas. Then because there was a signal, then there was a good sell. So the reason why we are selling this market, it is because of this break of this structure. Again, when you are trading higher lows, blah 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 blah, lower highs, this is the break of a structure that caused the movement of this market into this area. So we are very confident with selling at this point because of this break of structure. It is very simple if you can understand the market correctly. And this is why we want to work with you guys very closely this time around and share videos, very important to you guys, so that you can trade even manually, professionally, without losing your money. And if you don't trust yourself, or if you still don't believe in yourself, believe in our system and believe in our EA, because it will help you learn and earn at the same time. So we are relying with this area here as our engineer liquidity and here as our extreme, and the market must come to this area and continue going up. Believe it or not, you'll be seeing this when working with us. Wait for the result and you'll be seeing this, and it will build up your strength. All right, guys. Then there is another thing here for those people who want to minimize maybe their stop loss and they would like to trade in minute 30. We have this is the step index. Let me go to our minute 30. We have a template here for TFX handle X2 time frame minute 30. It is just one click, and the EA not the EA. The system will prepare itself. And as you can see, now this is the minute 30 that gives you exactly, we have our mountain at this level, expecting a sell. We have a sell signal here. You can see it has touched our channel line at this point, and we have the dotted again. Then we're expecting this market to sell into this area. Then why am I saying we have unrepented trading or channel line trading lines? As you can see, trend lines at this point, instead of trading trading with them manually, you can see we have here, this is not the V crash, this is another one for helping the manual. After breaking this area, there was a very strength or momentum, as you can see, but our trend line remain the same area, because after breaking this area, it shows you that it was going up. What are you seeing here? We were coming from this, our support here, from this, our indicators here, known as, let me bring it here so that you can see. We have our premium zone, which is this one, exactly like for MT4. And we have our dotted here that help us understand, also indicate a support or a resistance. And we have our minor pullbacks, the green one here. Like for MT4, it will help us to understand the minor pullbacks so that we can continue buying. And we also have our TFX trend line X1, which is this one, that help us understand when the market break this area. Not only that, this is why I'm telling you that I will be mentoring you to understand when to enter the market and when not to enter the market. So the combination of all these, our indicators plus our breakout line, and our mountain here, it will help us a lot to save our time and to get the perfect or the sniper entries that it is more than 90% accurate signal. So this is why we have a sell, and you can see you can set your stop loss above our dotted, whether it has given with this premium support or resistance. This is where the place you'll be placing your stop loss. In anything gives you signal above it or below it, that is where you'll be setting your stop loss to make sure that they can never stop you out from the market, but you can minimize your stop loss or your risking. So again, you can see when you're coming from this point, when it is an up trade, then we are knowing that now the buyers, they are taking place, and it will be very strong going this buy. So if the mountain touches our level 10 of our RSI and level 90 of our RSI, expect more momentum for sellers or buy. So if it is in this area and there is a sell signal here, expect a sell momentum. So it is a combination. So even in 4 hours time frame, if we can, we have two templates here. This is the first template we are using here for those people who want to see the clear market here without being complicated or by whatever, because some will say, oh, my friend, if you set the mountain, will I enter the market? No, follow these indicators. For this mountain, it will only help you to understand where the momentum is. Like this level, you can see there, when we were coming from this level 19, there was a sell momentum. And now because we are coming from this level 10, this tells you that now we have a buy momentum, but this cannot hinder you from selling. Because the reason why we're saying it cannot hinder you from selling, you can sell and buy with this system when you are in 4 hours, like scalping, blah. The reason why we are saying this, because we are not working outside the advanced SMC or the ICT structures, all right? We are working inside the box, but beyond the advanced, what's so-called advanced SMC, advanced ICT. This is beyond that, and it makes things easier for you, and our indicators here will indicating the areas that are reliable according to CMC and ICT when they are combined. So this is the combination of beyond SMC and ICT when you cooperate with them, when you bring them together, when you want to do it professionally, saving your time, saving a lot of analysis, jumping from this time frame to another one. This one will help you a lot. This one will make things easier for you. All right, guys. So that is something to understand. This is why you really need to follow us on our Telegram. This is why you need to subscribe to our YouTube so that you can get more information. You can get more screenshot, the result and the growth of our account. So watch this and follow us closely. So you can see, even if we have a buy momentum, you will not just stick there and say, oh, my friend, so I'm not supposed to buy or to sell. No, you are supposed to sell according to our system, set our stop loss there, know where to set our your TP. The reason why we are setting the TP here, it is because of this BOS. The market must come to retest into this area here, exactly here, then the market can continue going up. Let me give you one secret that you must understand. Every time there is a break of structure, the extreme one, there is a minor structures, all right? There is a minor structure here. We have a medium structures because this one is a minor structure here inside. From here to this place, those are another one, medium one. So we are not working with the medium. We are working with the major one that are profitable. So we are not working with the minor, nor are we working with the medium one. We are working with the major ones that gives us something like this one. Let's say, for instance, if let's say, for example, guys, what I'm trying to remind you here is that we know what we are saying. And this is why I'm saying I will be sharing details so that you can understand this system simple in a simplicity. So maybe this video can say, oh, my friend, I'm confused. Don't get confused. I'm just showing you that these indicators, they are very reliable. They are spotting the exact area that you are supposed to be entering your in the market. If you know what you are doing, if you don't know what you're doing, this system will make things easier for you. So we are not just relying because now this is a buy momentum, but it is still, you can sell and you can buy with this system according to the signals that they are indicating. And the other thing is that they are not working outside the SMC or ICT. They are beyond or above that. For instance, let us check this area. This area was 50-50% into this area when someone entering the market after this BOS at this area, because there is a BOS here. But you can see our system here indicates a sell. There was a trend line at this point, and there was our minor pullback at this point. So by having these minor pullbacks at this point, there was a good sell here. And we are calling this minor because this is where you don't hold for more, for long, because this is like doing scalping, but you'll have at least to bank a lot. All right, guys, because why are we selling into this point? Let me show you, because I do believe some are very, very, very caution about this thing. There was a break of structure at this. There was a BOS at this point. All right, guys, there is a BOS at this point. Let me bring my mark here. Let me use my pen. You can see, let me show you something here through my pen. You can see there is a break of structure at this area, guys. There is a break of structure at this point. Let us learn something here, because I have to break every doubt. Sorry. I have to break every doubt. What do you see here? Where are we? Let me zoom in here. And let me draw it here so that everyone can see. And we are coming from this area. All right, we are coming from this area. So let us zoom in and see what is happening there. And see what is happening there. So at this point, let us bring it unto this point. There was a break. There was a breakout here, the BOS, right? And the candle closed below. And the candle closed below this area. This is why when the market was reversing, when it comes to what we call it, SMC, there was a trap here. There was a trap here because there is an order block at this point, right, guys? There is an order block into the at this point. There is an order block, and someone said you can see even the candle closed with a long wick, and then they entered their market here. They sell, but the market comes into this place, then boom, again it reversed and sweep up their stop loss and went to our extreme area. Another thing again, there was another order block at this point. True or false, guys? You can see it. Then immediately they sweep their stop loss at this area, then the market dropped. But as you can see it closely, this is the first, they hit your first stop loss, they hit you another second stop loss, then the market drop. And this is what people has been experiencing in the market. You set, you work well with your CMC, SMC or ICT, then you find that they hit your first stop loss, they hit your second stop loss, then you are discouraged because you have been following the rules of SMC. It doesn't matter when people they are saying that this is an advanced SMC or ICT, but still by following the rules, they still hit your stop loss. But when it comes to our system here, you can see our trend line was this area, then our dotted which indicate the minor pullbacks, then entered into this area, then boom, the market dropped all the way without this deceivedness, dropped all the way from that point to this area. So this means even if you put into this low where there was an BOS again, this is where your take profit should be, and your risk, it should be here. Your stop loss should be here above this trend line, and this one, this is where your stop loss. Then you can see what you are risking. It is too small comparing with your TP, where your TP is. Your TP should be 2 or 3 times of your stop loss. So you count your risky. If your risky is 20 pips, then your TP should be from 60 pips or 40 pips and above, so that you can always be winning. So if they hit your stop loss and you win one trade, you are still in profit. So this is why with this system you'll be making a lot of money. And SMC traders and ICT traders, you can agree with me that there was a trap here and there was another trap here, thinking that you have gone to your extreme, but our system indicates at the right time. This is the best thing about this system, and this is the best thing knowing about the ICT, the bank straps, and the market manipulators, how they do their things. Then you come up with knowledge or with a system that will blow, or you will trade like a bank, or you will trade like them. So when they manipulate the market, or when they sweep people's stop loss or whatever, yours will never be swept away. It will give you the signal at the right time. So you can see there was no signal here, the small pullback, but when even our minor pullback came, there was a good or impulse movement. Again, impulse movement every time when our system gives you the signal. So that is the good thing and a good news. So when it comes also to 30 minutes, we have the templates of the 30 minutes. This is for the 4 hours, whereby I do love MT4 and MT5 trading now our system with this one, because I don't have to jump to small time frame because I want to do my scalping. I can do my scalping in 4 hours, and also long trade or short trade. I can do them according to my indicator. So the combination of all indicators indicates a long trade, and this is simple that I'll be guiding you. So when it goes to 30 minutes, for those people who want to minimize their stop loss, because you cannot compare the stop loss of 4 hours and 30 minutes, then this one you can use it. But it makes things simple because it can, let me go to volatility 75. A lot of people, they do love volatility 75. So if you want to minimize your losses, so and you want to work in minute 30, you can just pick that template of minute 30. All right, guys. Then the EA, the EA, wow, I'm mad at this EA. So again, it can give you this the good signal according to trend line. You can see after the breakup, market huge, then here indicates a buy, and you can see there was a good buy here, and you catch up your trend. Oh, my friend, it's no, there is a good profit, my friend, from this, where our indicator indicates what we call it a minor pullback, my friend, and you have it banking. You will have bank this money from this our trend line, our channel line, sorry, and our minor pullback. Then boom, then again, either you're out because of reaching into this level, you just take your profit before continue dropping. We are waiting for a massive sale in 30 minutes. Let's go to our 4 hours and see what is happening there. V75 open, and let us go to 4 hours. And it is very simple. You attach these the indicators for 4 hours. Very simple as that. Or you can use the second one. You can see the 4 are saying it is a good sell here after our dotted here. There was a good sell. So again, you can use the 4 hours too and see our mountain. It has touched this area, telling us there will be a good impulse sell movement at this point from this area. So you can't miss. You can see in 30 minutes you have already sell, and now you have again scalp your buy, but in 4 hours we are still holding. Where this is where our entry point is, and our first TP was supposed to be at this point. All right, guys, when you're coming to another support here, you can take your first TP. The second TP can be here. Why this our second or third TP should be here. All right, and the second one should be here. I just want to show you in a very simplest way, because of those people who knows more about the SMC. You can see there is a breakout at this point. All right, there is what we call order flow at this point, another order flow. At this point, this is where we can set our TP here and here. So if this market drop, it can come to this area and again to this area before going up again, or if they can be the change of character here, the market can drop. So it is very simple even to identify where you are supposed to set your TP, because even our channel can show you, and you can also indicate the order flow, or where you can see there, like there is a support or resistance. So it's very simple to use this system. So as you can see, when they break our trend line at this point, there was a good movement or a buy movement after breaking even our channel at this point. Again, let me show you something here that is very, very interesting. When using 4 hours, and maybe you want to know where the market is going at this point, will this market continue going up, or this market will go down after breaking our trend line? Everything here, the market go with a good movement. You just right click, go to our TFX trend line X1, double click and change 145 into 21. Simple as that, so that you can analyze the market where it is. This is so professional, guys. So after analyzing the market where it's it, what are you seeing here, guys? But, oh, my friend, I'm confused. Yes, you can be confused because of this. Let me show you. If I zoom in now, 1, 2, 3, what do you see, guys? What do you see? If I do believe you are a real trader and you know what it means by this pattern. All right. After zooming 3 times, you can see we have a bullish and bearish flag. This is what we call, it can be a bullish or it can be a bearish flag. What did the market do at this point? You can see the market First touch, second touch, again here, you can see here now the market broke this trend line. What did the market did when it was at this point? Let me show you. When they broke our trend line here, the market, there was a good impulse movement or a huge movement to this area. So exact thing we are expecting when we want to analyze the market here, knowing that if this market will go up or down. This is why I'm telling you, you can set here just 21, all right? And again, you go to zoom in, you just click 1, 2, 3, and you are done. Then it will be clear for you that this market can reverse now to this point and then continue going down. Let us analyze this market the way the SMC trader, they would have done into this point. If they have noticed there is a BOS at this point, because also we have a BOS from this area, because the candle closed below our support at this area or our demand. All right, so because the candle has closed below it, we're expecting this market now to sell. When will they be targeting this sell? They will be targeting this sell at this point, because we have an order block at this point. I do believe you are seeing what I'm saying here, because it is very, very professional. Let me bring it into this, just to spot this candle here, because this is where our order block is. Can you see the order block at this point, guys? Let me zoom in so that you can see it. Can you see the order block at this point? Yes, there is an order block at this point, and this is where the SMC traders or ICT, they will be targeting their sell. But you can see we have already banked the first one. So now we can wait the market again to touch this, our line. As you can see, our breakout line is here. Then again, we can enter that sell and hold that sell. Why? Because it has broken our trend line with this bearish now flag. Then the market will continue dropping. And our TP, again, we can set our TP to the mid-low line of our channel. So our TP can move all the way again from there after taking our first profit here. Then again, we can enter the market now holding to this point. Then when this market will be reversing to our 50% at this area, then our EA or our system, if it will give us our minor pullback at this area, again, we can sell and our TP will be at that point. So it's very simple to use this system under our mentorship. But the simplest thing is to understand if what I'm saying, it is beyond the SMC or it saves your time as an SMC or ICT trader. This system will save your time, as simple as that. And to do this analysis, it's just for proving that we know what we are saying when we say this this system saves the time of SMC and ICT, and it is beyond that, because it is it can give you the reliable signal area. You should trust me, because I'm doing this to prove to you that this thing it trades what I'm saying. But it is very simple by just entering the market according to where the system gives you the signal, even without doing 100 of analysis. Then this mountain should not confuse you. Say, oh, so I'm supposed to only to rely with buy because the mountain has touched our area 10 and our area 90. No, don't get confused. This is just for showing you the momentum. The entry points are here. The green one, which is our minor pullback, green one shows you about the minor pullback. This one is a medium pullback, and the blue ones here, which are premium support and resistance, they are giving you about the long trade. So it's up to you. You can enter with any of the signal, but the most important, it is to understand about the minor pullback, about to understand about the medium and the major ones. The major ones, again, it is the combination. Like here, at this point, you can see we have the premium one. We have we also have what do we call it? We also have medium. We have also the minor pullback. I believe you are understanding what I'm saying here, because we are saying the combination of all, having the minor pullback, having the medium pullback, and also premium all together with our channel at this point, or at this point, this give you, it will be a good signal that you can hold for good profit. All right, guys. But for this one, know that this one's for medium, this one is for minor, and the major one now you can understand. So this one, our mountain here just gives you about the momentum. So at this point, when we are at 90 here, we're expecting a good downsell movement or a major pullback. So it is simple as that. Now let's go to a second people or that people who surely have a small account like $100, $50, and you want to grow that account. I always tell you guys, having less than $300, it is good to trade boom and crash, especially boom 1000 and crash 1000, the one guys that minimize the losses. And again, it is good to trade only spikes. When it comes to grow your small account, you all go to minute one. Again, you can see we have the TFX Nairobi minute one spikes. It is very simple. This is boom 1000, and you know, when it comes to boom, guys, we all buy. When it comes to boom, we buy spike. So you won't sell. So this one you can go direct to minute one and see where this one you must rely also with where our mountain is at this level, and our all indicators are here. You can see we have the minor pullback here with a different setting, and we have also our trend line at this point. And again, we still also have our premium indicator. We still have all of them at this area. Let me right click so that you can get it correctly. We all have them here with a different setting that will help you to stick in minute one and make good money. It will help you a lot to be in minute one and make a good money. So when growing your account, let us go to crash 1000 again. You don't need to jump to any of the time frame. All you need it is to pick this TFX Nairobi minute one spikes, then you stick there. And this one, we know that when it comes to crash, we sell crash. So don't sell unless there is don't sell unless there is an indicator that indicates about sell spikes. All right, guys, don't try to sell if there is no an indicator like here where there was a trend line. Don't sell if there is no that indicator that indicates sell. The second thing, even if we have this what do we call it, if we have our trend line at this point, or we have our pullback, we also have a spike detector arrow. We have a spike detector arrow. You can see it here. Let me show something. It must also appear. Where is it? We have it here. All right, guys, we have it when indicating sales. Let me show. At this point, you can see there is this arrow, the yellow one here, which is a spike detector arrow. Let me show you on our indicators. We have it. It is here. It is our spike detector. It will pop up. So if you're trading this, you know, manually, you must be there. All right, guys, you must be there to make sure that when it start pop-upping, when we have our trend line at this area or our minor pullback, if the minor pullback is here or our trend line is here and the arrow starting pop-upping, because it will pop up. When it start pop-upping around where our signal is, that is when you take yourself. If it is crash, then you set your stop loss there. If it is boom, the same thing. When it start pop-upping, you set your you enter the trade and you set your stop loss above or below any indicator, whether it is trend line, whether it is a minor pullback, any of the indicator, whether it is our premium indicators. At this point, guys, that is when you will set your stop loss at above or below. So if it is a sell, you set it above our trend line at that point. If it is a buy, you set it below any of the indicators. So that's what I want you to understand about where to set your stop loss, but we're giving you more mentorship on our VIP and through also our videos, and so that you can trade with this system professionally. All right, guys. So that is the how trading becomes easier to all the TFX MT5 users manual system. That's how simple now the system is. And that is for the people who want to trade candles. All right. Those people want to do professional trading using advanced or beyond SMC or ICT. So let's go back to our origin of the system, because some will still want to stick or to trade with the Renko. Some will, oh, so now we are not going to trade with the Renko with the system. No. It is still there. That was just to show you about the advanced system. Now, when it comes to trade candles, you are not going to trade candles just to trade candles. You are going to trade it professionally more than SMC or ICT trading. So let us go now to our normal ways of our Nairobi. So when trading the Renko, it's very simple. We have the Renko file, MY. You just click it once. Then the EA or the file will create the Renko chart automatically. It is just one click. Again, it will bring everything. And we have brought our EAs, our indicators, the same thing at this area, so that it can be very easier for you to get into the market, not only because the Renko is saying buy or sell, but also by trading Renko with the advanced. Let me not call this advanced, because this is beyond the SMC or ICT. So you'll be trading the Renko charts with this strategy that is beyond SMC and ICT. All right, guys. So if it is a buy thing, and oh, there is something I forgot about this, our trading breakout line. When you get into our breakout line, make sure there is a second confirmation of either our medium or minor pullback or our medium pullback or any of other indicators. Make sure you got it at this point. And let me bring it this point, because also our trading line should be also here. Right, let us save this to our Renko file, because it should be like this one, because we don't want anyone to trade. Don't limit yourself. Don't just jump from this to there, here, there. Oh, I have had like ICT is working. I had like SMC Advanced is working. I had this. Now let us go beyond all those. Let us trade like banks. Let us trade the way money these market makers are doing, or market manipulators are doing. We will be trading like them. So for instance, at this area, we have the breakout line, we have our medium, and we have our trend line. Then this is a good sell. We can sell when our Renko tells us to sell. And our Renko also, it contains all the indicators that they are supposed to be there. You can use the what we call it. You can use this one for trade making. Also, you can use for the EMA, so that you can be taking trades by, if this one there is a buy signal here. So all I want to remind you, in this our breakout line, this one, make sure there is a confirmation of either our minor pullback or here. Some of you, oh, I can enter sell here. Don't enter this sell if we don't have another confirmation of our minor pullback or our medium or our trend line. So if our trend line was here, the two of it can confirm sell. If there is no trend line, there is no minor pullback or also medium pullback, don't enter the market. So here there will be a good sell where or buy now when it comes to our Renko. And remember, if you're trading with the Renko, also remember we must have the confirmation of our premium or any indicators that indicate support or resistance. All right, guys, without indicating support or resistance, we cannot enter that market. And remember also the rules of our Renko, you must wait the Renko to touch this area. Let me bring it into this point. All right, let me bring it here. You must wait. Sorry. You must wait the candle or the brick to close above or to close the price above our, we were here. You must wait this brick to close above our moving average here, and this our bars must touch these levels, this level or this level. So here there is a good signal at this point because of our brick crossing above here and the market touching this area. So here, this is where our signal is for buy. All right, and because we are having our premium indicators, this point indicates buy. So it is very simple, and I will giving you all information to our channel and also here in our YouTube. This is why you need also to be our follower in YouTube so that you can get more information about our system and make trading easier and trade like a banks or trade like market maker. So it's very simple. So we haven't changed anything, but we have advanced everything to make sure whether you are trading with the Renko, let us wait it to load here. Whether you are trading with the Renko, the things are very easier. The candle chart even if you're trading with the Renko, it will bring you into 4 hours automatically. This is what I want you to see. Yeah, if I click this here, and remember the good thing with the Renko, it is to wipe out or to filter all the noisy. So let us again go here. And for us, you can see all indicators are here to indicate sell here. When there is a good indicator because of our breakout line here and dotted here, when we got here, there was a good sell here. So we sell, guys, we sell, all right? And you can use any of the templates. You can use this one for the trade maker or the TM, or you can use this one for moving average and sell. So it is very simple to use our system, but don't worry. All I wanted you to know, it's how this simple it is. To analyze, you just use your eyes to see how the indicators are indicating sell and buys. Then to your Renko, you sell or you buy. So this is how simple it is. That is how simple it is to use the system. You don't do analysis after analysis, chart after chart. It's very simple. You can stick in one chart and make good money beyond SMC or ICT, trade like a bank using the TFX, MT4 or MT5 manual system. And don't forget, the offer of these festive seasons are ongoing. Get and start banking money, grow your small account, and you are good to go. Thank you so much, guys. I do believe now you got full understanding of how the system is working. And once again, I wish you all the festive season, Eid Mubarak, whatever, Merry Christmas, and whatever. I just do wish you in advance. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.